Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix iCloud photos are not showing in iPhone gallery. So if you're in your Photos app and you are not seeing your iCloud photos in your Photos app, let's fix this problem. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and now tap on your Apple ID. And here tap on iCloud. And make sure your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Okay, now once you're in iCloud page, tap on Photos. And here, all you have to need just enable sync this iPhone option. Once it's successfully turned on, all of your iCloud photos will be synced in your iPhone gallery. Now you have to wait 2 or 5 minutes and then go to your Photos app, and now here you should see all of your iCloud photos. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.